Ready to transform simple plywood into a stunning modern TV stand? Let's dive into this exciting DIY project. First, gather your materials: walnut plywood, MDF, and rubber wood. You'll need router bits and saws too. Use a track saw or table saw to cut your panels with precision. Accuracy is crucial here. Next, we'll cut dados with a router. This ensures our panels will fit together perfectly. Now for the crucial case glue up. Remember, achieving flush edges is key for a professional look. Let's add some polish with edge banding and trim pieces. These details make a big difference. For customized storage, we'll construct cubbies and partitions using MDF. Think about your storage needs here. Drawers add functionality. We'll build and install them with custom fronts for a cohesive look. Wire management is important. We'll create cutouts and add floating shelf options for a clean look. To achieve that modern look, we'll attach legs to the base. This elevates both the design and function. Finally, we'll apply finishing touches: painting, sanding, and varnishing for a truly professional result. And there you have it. Your custom modern TV stand is complete. Enjoy your handiwork. Want to explore more DIY projects? Click the link in the description for inspiration and tutorials.